SAS stands for Sociedad por Acciones Simplificada. Think of it as Colombia's version of a flexible corporation. When you create a SAS, you're building a separate legal entity, like a shield between you and your business. Why does that matter? First, taxes. If you run Airbnbs, rentals, or any business, doing it in your personal name means higher progressive income taxes and limited deductions. A SAS lets you deduct expenses like cleaning, repairs, even part of your management costs. That often reduces your tax bill significantly. Second, compliance. A SAS registers with DIAN, issues invoices, pays VAT if required, and makes payroll if you hire staff. Everything is clean and legal. As a foreign investor, this gives you peace of mind and credibility. Third, protection. Because the SAS is its own entity, your personal wealth, your house, your retirement accounts, your US brokerage stays separate. If something goes wrong in Colombia, your liability is limited to what's inside the company. And here's a common question. Should you choose a simplified SAS under Colombia's simple regime or a regular SAS? In short, simple means less paperwork but fewer deductions. A regular SAS may be better if you have significant expenses or long-term growth plans. The choice depends on your specific case, CTA, 100 to 130 seconds. At Whole, we help expats and US investors set up SAS structures that actually make sense, legally, financially, and tax-wise. If you're planning to invest, move, or rent properties in Medellin, don't do it in your personal name. Protect yourself with the right setup. Book a free 15-minute call with us today. Link in bio.